The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has become one of the most popular hybrid SUVs in the world. Buyers love it for fuel savings, Toyota reliability, all-wheel drive capability, and strong resale value. For many families, it feels like the perfect balance between efficiency and practicality. But a growing number of owners are discovering a hidden problem that can turn into a very expensive surprise: corrosion and failure of the hybrid AWD power cable. The RAV4 Hybrid uses an electric motor to power the rear wheels instead of a traditional drive shaft. Power is delivered through a high-voltage cable running underneath the vehicle. In theory, it's efficient and lightweight. In real-world driving, especially in wet, salty, snowy, or coastal environments, moisture and road salt can reach this cable connection. Over time, corrosion can build up inside the connector. When that happens, the vehicle may trigger warning lights, disable all-wheel drive, or even reduce driving performance. Some owners report dashboard error messages that appear suddenly without warning. The biggest shock isn't just the failure, it's the repair cost. Because this cable is part of the high-voltage hybrid system, replacement often requires specialized labor and safety procedures. In many cases, the repair bill can reach several $1,000s, sometimes approaching $5,000 or more, depending on region and dealership pricing. For buyers who chose a hybrid to save money long-term, this can feel like a painful surprise. What makes this more frustrating is that many owners don't abuse their vehicles. Normal winter driving, rain exposure, car washes, or salty roads can slowly contribute to corrosion over time. This isn't limited to extreme off-roading or harsh use. Toyota has updated designs and service procedures in some markets, but many owners still worry about long-term durability once warranty coverage ends. Used buyers are also becoming cautious as awareness spreads, which could eventually affect resale confidence. To be fair, not every RAV4 Hybrid will experience this issue. Many owners drive for years without problems. Toyota remains one of the most reliable brands overall, but even a small percentage of failures can become a serious concern when repair costs are high and the problem is difficult to detect early. If you own or plan to buy a RAV4 Hybrid, there are smart precautions to take. Regular underbody inspections, avoiding prolonged salt buildup, rinsing the underside during winter months, and paying attention to warning messages can help reduce risk. Extended warranty coverage may also provide peace of mind for long-term ownership. Hybrid technology brings efficiency and performance benefits, but it also introduces new failure points that buyers should understand clearly. The RAV4 Hybrid is still an excellent vehicle for many people, but knowing about potential cable corrosion risks allows you to make smarter ownership decisions instead of being caught by surprise later. Awareness protects your wallet.